Well done, Mr.
Go,
Ranger,
go, go, go.
for helping the traffic.
Go, 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 go.
Max, are you pleased that we've seen the bear?
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Right, let me just talk to the people. Okay guys, so it is the 25th of Thursday, the 25th of July. We are heading to Grand Teton, but it's chaos on this section of the road because we've just seen a grizzly.
Woohoo!
And we are going to we wanted to see a grizzly. We were out till 9 or 10 o'clock last night to try and see a bear and we didn't. And then we've just seen this grizzly. We stopped further down the road and got video of it from a long way away. But then we decided to join the masses and try and be awkward with parking, and
so obvious when somebody spotted something because everyone just
chaos.
pulls over. It's
They
just
stop.
chaos.
They don't care where they stop.
And everyone's got their binoculars out, and some American family.
They showed us it through their
showed
lens,
it.
didn't
So
they?
we
They
knew
got like
exactly
a telescope,
where it
like
was.
a proper telescope.
So then we came up a bit nearer, and you got a bit nearer to it.
Yeah, and these are the videos. I'll show you a quick video now. They're probably the best video that we managed to get. Amazing creatures, aren't they? We're so pleased we managed to see one, even if it was from quite a distance, which, to be honest, is probably a good thing. But we've seen a bear on our holiday. Mission accomplished. So yeah, so we're heading to Grand Teton. We've heard that people saw bears in Teton recently, so we're hoping that we may see more. But if we don't, we've seen it. 9 days into the holiday, we've seen moose, elk. No, we haven't seen moose yet, I don't think, have we?
I don't know.
Elk,
eagle,
bisons,
Bald
bald eagle. We've seen a wolf. And now we've seen, there was a grizzly bear as well, which is
grizzly bear.
the rarest of kind. So anyway,
Whizzle.
there you go. Awesome. All these people that are travelling this way have got no idea what they're about to encounter.
But he
they're not
started
going
to
to get anywhere
move.
fast.
He was starting to move.
Yeah,
down
he was. He was heading away from the.
Yeah, down towards the water.
So
Oh,
yeah,
no.
all good.
Fine.
Grand Teton, here we come. ETA probably, it was going to be 11:20, but it's probably more likely to be 12 o'clock now because we've been here there for at least half an hour. Anyway, cool. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. And this is the route we are currently driving, leaving Yellowstone National Park but heading through Grand Teton with our eventual stop at Jackson. From there we will spend a couple of days exploring the area. On the way we will of course be making a few stop-offs. How about this view, everyone? Pretty spectacular, the Teton Mountains as we stand on the decking at Jackson Lodge. And this is beautiful. We could stand here all day, but alas, we must move on, so let's continue. We are enjoying these stunning views on the US 191 South as we make a stop at Snake River. We enjoy the views that were made famous, for me anyway, by the 20th century photographer Ansel Adams, and don't forget my favourite photos from this video will be shown right at the end. So we are well into the Tetons now. We have made 2 or 3 stops, you may have seen some clips too, but we've now come down to Schwabischer's Landing, which is just more pictures of the river, which is a view of the river with some nice mountains in the background. I'm going to get some photos and show you around. It's nice and green and mountains here.
Stay hydrated with some water. Hold on.
Words to live by. So I'm sorry, I can't tell you which mountain is which here. I do apologise. I'm not that into researching things like that, I'm afraid. But it doesn't really matter as far as I'm concerned because they're all just stunning. They're not what we're used to seeing back in England at all, certainly not where I live. But yeah, I'm going to get the camera out and take a few photos. So just a couple of miles down the road from where we were, we are visiting Mormon Row, which has the iconic photo of the barn in front of the Tetons, which I think to get that iconic photo you have to be here at sunrise. And it's now the exact opposite, so we will not be getting a sunrise iconic photo today, but we will get what we can. And this is the welcoming board here. So the iconic view is just up here. I put on my 70-200 because I wanted to take it at 200 and get a nice compressed shot so that all the mountains will appear closer to the barn, but there's so many people down there. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to get back far enough, so yeah, so I may have to take what I can, I'm afraid, unless I get up here at 5 o'clock in the morning, which on a family holiday, don't think it's going to happen. Good day everyone, it is Friday the 26th of July and we have just won the lottery. Well, we haven't really, but we just found a parking space at Jenny Lake after driving around for about 20 minutes, well 10-20 minutes. Very hard to get parking here if you're coming, so we're still exploring Teton National Park.
Quick advert, stay hydrated guys.
Ice cold water, always good. So we're going to explore Jenny Lake. We've got about 7 stops to do today.
I'm going to do that for every single day from now on.
Culminating at a winery for a quick drink for Suzanne before we go out for an earlier than yesterday tea. And we will see you, show you Jenny Lake. Let's go, let's go. Oh, and my knee's better, look, no knee support.
Well done, I'm so proud of you, Daddy.
Okay, so yes, we've come down to the lake front, to the lake shore.
Looks amazing.
It does, doesn't it?
See lots of thin New Forest, don't there?
It's exactly like being in the New Forest, Max. Apart from the mountains and the water, we've got the leaves.
Yeah.
We've got the leaves. So we are along the lake shore now. Just going to walk up and down for an hour or so, maybe get a boat across the other side and then come back again real quick. But you have to spend a lot of time if you want to see it all. We haven't got that time if we want to see other things. So pretty much a whistle stop tour, but we're going to enjoy it anyway.
And as you're about to see, this won't be as much of a whistle stop tour as we thought it would be.
How old are you?
10.
So anybody that's under 13 just has to be down the stairs.
Okay, but we can.
But anywhere down there, except the one with the steering wheel, you can't sit there.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Oh, I want my money back.
You gotta be 11 for that one.
Which side of this is not done?
Is it this side?
My car.
Okay, so we're on the Jenny Lake cruise. You may know this kid, he's Max.
No, I don't think you would know that. getting sprayed.
So we were just going to do a walk there, a boat ride across the lake and a boat ride back, but we decided to take a walk to Inspiration Falls, no, Inspiration Point, and it's uphill and it's hard work. But I think we're nearly there. I think we're nearly there. And we haven't come across any bears, which is both good and bad. Yeah, I'm puffed, but hopefully this is it. Oh, it is a high climb. It's very tiring if you're unfit. The knee is holding up. Oof. And we're here. We're here. Inspiration Point, everybody. Okay, so apparently we weren't quite at Inspiration Point. Inspiration Point is even more inspirational because it's right up there somewhere. But we've come far enough for us.
We weren't even going to come
We were just going to get off the boat, get back on the boat and enjoy the ride across the lake and see the mountains and the scenery from the boat. But Max keeps running off. So I'm going to have to say something to him, but here we are on our way back down again. We are going to have a quick check out of Hidden Falls as we've come this far. It's a little short walk that way. Hopefully it will be worth the extra walk. Okay, here we are, Hidden Falls, with a gaggle of people of which we are about to join. Okay, we are heading back down. Still no signs of bears or wildlife. Plenty of pretty cool views to see though. Oh, I should probably be looking down instead of up because it is a bit of a rough walk. Okay, so we've got a third of a mile to the boat, but I'm hoping that we're a quarter of the way there at least. I'm not stopping to take any pictures because we want to get in the boat queue as soon as we can. They said it might be a 45-minute wait for the boat, but it does get better as the day goes on. So if you're going to come over to this side of the island via the boat, you need to give yourself at least 3 hours because 2 half-hour waits, an hour here, and the boat journey itself is easily eats into 3 hours, so I don't think you can do it in 20 minutes because you can't, as we found out. But anyway, I'll see you back at the boat dock. That is the end of Jenny Lake. I'm walking back to the car, the other guys have gone to the toilets, and unbelievably the car park looks damn full still, and it's 4:30. We're only supposed to be here an hour. We've been here for 4.5, so not quite sure what other stops we're going to do, but let's grab the car, circle round to the loos and pick the others up, and we'll be off. See you. Well, we're going to go back to the town now before we go out for dinner.
So we left Jenny Lake, but we did make a couple of detours on the way back to the town of Jackson. Bison pizza. Then when we got there, we just spent a pleasant evening walking around town, enjoying our last night here.